Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Navin. In this video, we'll be discussing about intraday stocks to trade tomorrow. So I have picked 4 stocks to trade on the buy side in tomorrow's trading session. So all the 4 stocks have high potential trades. So make sure you are watching this video till the end to understand the logic behind those trades. The first stock I have picked to trade tomorrow is ICICI Bank. So the strategy is pretty simple. So this is the support level. So previously it was acting as a resistance. So whenever the price reaches this level, the sellers are getting activated and they're pushing the price on the lower side, right? So currently we see a breakout above this resistance level. Resistance turned to the support. Retested, we got the retest of the same level, and currently we got the hammer candle right at the support level, right? So previously it was acting as a resistance. So the price was getting rejected from this resistance level. So though it has gone breakout above this level acted as the support, right? So right at the support level we got the hammer candle. So there is a good opportunity to trade this on the buy side in tomorrow's trading session. So let me explain where the enter and exit levels in the lower time frame. So in tomorrow's trading session, as soon as the price breaks today's high, so which is 760 level. So as soon as today's high is reached or broken, we can initiate a buy trade. Our stop loss will be 755. Okay, this the last candle's low. Okay, our take profit will be at 770 level. So though the stock is at the lifetime high, so we cannot currently predict the target level. So I'm predicting 1:2 take profit. In case of breakout above 170 level, we can initiate. So we can expect another big momentum. Okay. So the other confirmation is, so as soon as we got the hammer candle right at the support level, so the buyers activated and pushed the price on the higher side, right? So we got the increasing price. So if you check the volume, if you compare the price action with the volume, we got the huge volume in the last 1 hour, right? So there is a good opportunity, so we can trade this on the buy side. So as I stated, 760 will be the entry level, 755 stop loss, 770 is the take profit level. In case of breakout above 770, we can expect another big momentum. The next stock is Grasim Industries. Grasim Industries, this is a daily time frame chart. So whenever the price reaches this resistance level, the sellers were getting activated and they're pushing the price on the lower side, right? So the sellers were getting activated at the resistance level. Currently what happened is we got a breakout above this resistance level. So the resistance turned to the support. The price has made a pullback or retest at the same level, and we see a bullish momentum in the current current stock, right? So let me zoom in the chart. You see this is the resistance level, right? So this was the diagonal resistance trend line. So this is, we got an horizontal resistance too. So previously the stock was facing resistance at this level. So currently we got a breakout above this, retested the same level. So this resistance turned to the support, right? So currently it will act as a support. So from the same support level we got the bullish candle. So this is the logic behind trading the stock on the buy side in tomorrow's trading session. So the resistance turned to the support. So basically it was moving in a channel, upward channel. We got a breakout, retested the same level, and it is trying to move on the upper side. So let's discuss where the entry and exit levels will be in lower time frame. So in tomorrow's trading session, we can expect two types of entries, two types of entries in tomorrow's trading session. The first scenario is we can expect the continuation of the upward move. The second scenario is we can expect a small correction or profit booking, and we can expect a continuation of upward move. So in tomorrow's trading session, the first scenario will be, so as soon as the price breaks today's high, we can initiate a sell trade. So our entry level will be 1755, our stop loss will be 1450, so the 1743. So this will be our stop loss. Our entry will be at 1755, our first take profit will be at 1766, and our next take profit will be at 1777. So I have taken this level because it are previously, these are important swing points in previous trading session. So I have picked the important levels. So these are the entry and exit levels. This is one scenario. So as soon as today's high is broken, we can initiate a buy trade. The other scenario is, so if you observe today's price action, so if you observe today's price action, so the day started at from this point, a fall. Buyers took the price to higher level. Again a correction. So this swing point acted as a support. Again buyers push the price on the higher side, right? So this swing point is very important for us in tomorrow's trading session. So if you see bearish price action in the morning session, so if you see bearish candles, do wait for the price to reach the 7730 level. So this swing point will act as a support in tomorrow's trading session. In that case, do wait for the price to reach the 1730 level. At this 1730 level, look for the bullish candlesticks like hammer or dragonfly doji, basically a wick dominating candle. With this candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the buy side. Our first take profit will be at 1755, and our next take profit will be at 1766. Okay, this is second scenario. The next stock is Power Finance Corporation Limited. So this is daily time frame chart. The price was previously facing resistance at this level. So currently we got a breakout above this, right? So let me explain what I mean. So whenever the price reaches this level, we see a selling pressure, right? So the second time, so let me delete and read out again. So we got the selling pressure from this point. Again buyers pushed the price on the same level. The sellers made the price to fall lower. So currently we got a breakout above this, and the price was taking support at this same level multiple times, right? So it took support at the same level for at least 3 to 4 times. It has taken the support at this level. In addition to this, we have an support trend line too, right? So whenever the price reaches this support level, the buyers are pushing the price on the upward side. So currently we got the hammer candle right at the support level. So hammer candle is a bullish reversal candlestick confirmation. So we got an horizontal support too. So horizontal support, and we got an support trend line too. These are two confirmation. The third confirmation is hammer candle at the support level. So there is a good opportunity to trade this on the buy side in tomorrow's trading session. So let's discuss where the entry and exit levels will be in the lower time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame chart. So though we got the hammer candle in the daily time frame chart at the support level, so we can trade this on the buy side. So but there are two scenarios where we can trade this stock in tomorrow's trading session. So if you check the price action in 15 minutes time frame, so we got an trading range. So currently the price is moving within this sideways channel. So this is an accumulation phase. From my point of view, it is in the accumulation phase. So all these are accumulation phase. So in tomorrow's trading session, we can expect two types of entries. So the first scenario is, though we got the shooting star candle in the last 15 minutes time, then the last 15 minutes candle was shooting star candle. So we can expect a bearish price action in morning session. In that case, do wait for the price to reach the 139 level. Okay, so at the 139 level you are supposed to look for the bullish candlesticks like hammer or an engulfing candle. So engulfing candle in the sense small red candles followed by a big green candle. So for example, for hammer candle is, so we got an example right in the same chart, so same time frame. So if you see, all these are small red candles, right? So we got the follow up candle as an green engulfing big candle. So this is what engulfing candles is. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you see a bearish price action in the morning session, do wait for the price to reach the 139 level. At 139 level, look for this confirmation bullish candlesticks. With that candles confirmation, we can trade this on the buy side. Our stop loss will be below 139. So our first take profit will be at 142 and our next take profit will be at 144. This is one scenario. The other scenario is, as soon as if you see a breakout above 142, do wait for the pullback, and with a good candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the buy side. Our stop loss will be 141 and our first take profit will be at 144 and our next take profit will be depends upon the price action, because at 144 level itself we got the huge bearish candle. So huge buyers push the price on the lower side. So 144 should be our first target. So in case of breakout above 144, we can expect another big momentum. Okay, the next stock is, so before getting into the next stock, a quick introduction about my channel. So the channel name is Trader Naveen. So I'll be posting regular videos on this channel regarding intraday calls plus educational videos on technical analysis. So those who are new to my channel, make sure you are subscribing this channel for daily videos like this. Okay, let's continue the video. The next stock is Marico Limited. Marico Limited, this is daily time frame chart. So as you see, whenever the price reaches this level, we see a bullish momentum, right? So this is the support level. So the price reach this level, buyers push the price on the upper side. The second time price reach the same level, buyers activated. Third time, currently the stock is at the same level. So at the same support level, we got the hammer candle, right? So previously, if you observe the stock, so let me zoom in the chart. So previously we got the same hammer candle right at the support level, and the price buyers got activated and pushed the price on the upper side, right? The same scenario is repeated. So we got the same hammer candle right at the support level, so we can expect a bullish momentum, right? So let's discuss where the entry and exit levels will be in the lower time. So in tomorrow's trading session, as soon as the price crosses today's high, which is 568, so as soon as the price reaches 158 level, we can initiate a buy trade. Our stop loss will be at 563, and our take profit will be at 576. Okay, this is one scenario. So you can initiate a buy trade immediately once after the breakout of this 568 level. In case if you see a breakdown below 563 in the morning session, a bearish price action, if you see a bearish price action, do wait for the price to retest this support level, support trend line. So at this support trend line, look for the bullish candlesticks like hammer candle. So as we got a hammer candle at this, so if you observe this candle, this is a hammer candle, right? So if you see same kind of candle at this level, if you see same kind of hammer candle at this level, we can initiate a buy trade. Our stop loss will be low of this candle or low or below this support level. Our first take profit will be at 563 and our next take profit will be at 568. So this is second scenario. Okay, so those are the 4 stocks which I have watch listed to trade in tomorrow's trading session. So all the 4 stocks are to trade on the buy side. So hope you guys like the analysis behind those stocks. So the stocks which I have given in previous trading session, that is to trade on today's market. So all the four stocks have all the four to five stocks have achieved the target. So for daily videos like this, make sure you are subscribing my channel, Trader Naveen. Thank you.